Letter C. It's the beginning of our little Halloween ghost.
Letter C. Let's start shaping our little ghost friend.
Now add a soft, flowing tail, just like a floating sheet in the night.
Add a tiny curly tail, soft and wavy, so our ghost can float gently through the night.
Let's give him a hat, a proper one. Maybe a gentleman's hat for this spooky evening.
Now, a cute bow on top. Every ghost deserves some Halloween style.
Eyes, small, round, and curious.
Let's draw big, round eyes.
And a little mouth, smiling softly in the dark.
A tiny, smiling mouth, so it looks friendly, not scary.
Now 2 hands reaching out, ready for some Halloween fun.
Now give it 2 little hands. Maybe they're reaching for candy?
Trick or treat. Who knows what he's hiding behind that smile? And there he is, our cute Halloween ghost, ready to haunt with kindness.
Trick or treat! Our adorable Halloween ghost is ready to float away.